there is a man who was standing with Makhumalo, you understand? Because Musamseleku called Makhumalo, she failed in marriage. It's not about kids. But Makhumalo, she is trying her best. You understand? She is trying her best to make him happy. Sometimes you don't force people to love you. Sometimes, you understand? So Msamseleku, I don't understand, because Makhumalo, she is trying, and now Makhumalo, she is tired. Just because some of the people, they are seeing that show. So there is a man who was commenting about Makhumalo, you understand? About Makhumalo, that Msamseleku said Makhumalo, she failed in marriage. Guys, Makhumalo, she was trying her best. You know that Makhumalo is the one who is paying insurance. You understand? For those wives. I think Musamselekwi is using that woman just because Makhumalo have millions. Guys, Makhumalo, she have got a mine in Musumbe. Guys, it's not a punishment that woman is a successful woman. So Musamselegu, that's why Makhumalo, she doesn't want Sam K, the fifth wife. She knows that Musamselegu, when he wants money for his wives, he will come to Makhumalo. I don't know Musamselegu why he is saying Makhumalo, she failed. You understand? Sometimes that man doesn't appreciate the best. You understand? Because she failed about kids, not about everything. Because Makhumalo is trying, guys. She was trying to make Musamseleku happy. Guys, do you remember that Machele, she stopped Makhumalo's wedding? Makhumalo, she was planning everything last time. And Machele stopped that wedding. But Musamseleku, he was not feel sorry for Makhumalo. Musamseleku, he was very happy that Machele stopped the wedding. You understand? Guys, I think that Musamselekwi doesn't care about Makhumalo's feelings, because only Makhumalo, she felt it's about giving Musamseleku kids. And especially black people, when we are not giving, you are not have kids, or you are not giving your men kids, guys, it will be a problem. You understand? So Musamseleku, he was saying Makhumalo, she failed. You understand? She failed to give Musamseleku kids. Not that day he was responding to people. He is trying to correct. There is nothing he was trying to correct, because, guys, a woman who is paying insurance for other women. You understand? For those women, she is the one who is paying insurance. You are saying that woman is failed. If I were Makhumalo, I will leave those bills from Samseleko, because he is continuing marrying many women, but he can't take care of those women. Because Machele Mangwabe in Makhumalo, they were guys, they are independent. They were taking care of themselves. Musamseleko, the only thing he is did for those women is buying grocery. You understand? It's buying